community. Now, if you look all around us, we are actually surrounded by Amazonian butterflies with wingspans of up to 12 inches. That's why we like to call them the rulers of the jungle. True monarchs. Now, if you look here on our left-hand side, we do have inspiration balls. Everyone say, ooh.
Whoa.
Everyone say, ah.
Ah.
Now, everyone say, Skipper Serena, you deserve a raise this year. That is some inspiration if I've ever heard of. Now we are turning down the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go. Up ahead there we have boats and baits and bikes. If you need a manure car, they can help you get it in. I don't know, ship shoot maybe? Now, usually there is supposed to be a skip here, but I can't see anyone. Canoe? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Big snake over here. Sorry, I am absolutely terrified. Can anyone tell me a scientific name? I'll give you a hint and start with a P. Plastic. Hi, Dawn. You're actually all correct. His name's Philip. Now, if you're not that's the big snake, you should look at the one over there. Okay, hold on. Now, if you don't mind, I need to make a quick stop over here and then we just grab a few supplies. These ones are driving me absolutely bananas today. I do apologize, I'm kind of emotional, so I think it's time to just sprint on out of here. Now we are turning down the Nile River, which is one of the longest rivers in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you're all in
Nile.
Africa, home to the African bull elephant. And you all know, elephants actually have one of the best memories. I wish I had a memory like that.
Here's another one.
It's an African bull elephant. So you all know, elephants actually have one of the best memories. I wish I had a memory like that. OMG, dudes and dudettes, check out these stones. They so totally rock. And we are entering the African.
You're supposed to say dude.
Famous giraffes. That one's Bruno, and that one's Mars. But we don't talk about Bruno here. You know what we do is do.
Look, Daddy.
Yes, that's it.
Now, I have no idea what anything in the middle is there, but I can tell you, I am just so sick and tired of these lions eating all of our zebra. They keep it aside and they're like,
oh, look.
we're not eating. We were looking for. That rhino seems to be getting his point across.
Oh, right now.
Once I got the bottom there, we'll get the point in the end.
Look at the hyenas.
Now we are entering crocodile territory. Bum, bum, bum. You're actually going to see two of our fox very soon. Over here on the shoreline, we have Smiley and Ginger. Smiley is that bigger one on the left-hand side with that big cutesy smile. Ginger, the smaller one on the right. Now, Ginger is white top cookie. Be careful. Ginger does snap. I know it's a crummy joke, but I'm going to milk it for all it's worth. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Are you all seeing what I'm seeing right now? That is just beautiful. Gorgeous even. I was going to tell you all a really funny joke about these balls, but I believe it would be a poor joke.
A poor joke. Get it? Water pouring off.
Now, fun fact on the view, I originally was going to get my pilot's license, but that happened. So I guess I drive this boat now. I took a crash course. Here we are entering the hippo pool. Then you all know
Lord.
hippos can actually run faster than humans on land and swim faster than humans in water. That means the bicycle is your only chance of beating a hippo in a triathlon. True fact. Oh my goodness. What is going on over here? If you all think they're excited now, wait till they hear. There's a sale at the Banana Republic! Now, you are going to see a chimp over here with the net. He gets angry from time to time. That is actually how he got his nickname, Furious George. If you're all ready to go, I'm going to be part of this monkey business going on. I like to talk chemistry stuff periodically. It really does put me in my element. Now we are on the Mekong River, in the heart of Cambodia.
Oh,
I did hear some rumors that there is actually a 500-pound tiger in this vessel that likes to hunt humans in the daytime. Just kidding. Tigers are in fact nocturnal. Now, fun fact about you, I am actually terrified of the dark, so I'm going to close my eyes and go to sleep now. Good night. That was absolutely terrifying! Now, if you look all around us, we are actually surrounded by Indian elephants. Fun fact of you guys, a lot of our elephants recently just joined us here on the jungle cruise. They got tired of working for just peanuts. Oh, would you look at that? It's a baby elephant playing under a full moon. How adorable.
Oh no, its tail's gonna go.
Yep. Now, you might all think that's water coming out of their trunks. It's not. And just about here, we do have our boss in town. Let me get you.
Oh no.
I actually found a bunch of some pretty interesting books about the animals we saw on our journey together. If not, Amazon is my go-to. Especially with that Amazon primate.
Oh Lord.
Now, if you look over here, on the left-hand side, we will be passing by a small elephant. It totally looks like he's wearing his trunks today, so nobody takes a picture. Do you all know, elephants actually have one of the best memories? I wish I had a memory like that. It would really help me with this job. Now we are getting to the most dangerous and scariest part of our journey together. The return back to civilization. Just to take a minute, please remember to remain seated with your